By Don Bobwin and Sarah Burnett, Chicago, AP. The jury in Jussie Smollett's trial completed deliberations for the day Wednesday without reaching a verdict on charges the former Empire actor lied to police about being the victim of an anti-gay, racist attack near his home in downtown Chicago. Jurors deliberated for about 2 hours Wednesday before breaking for the day after a roughly one-week trial. They will return Thursday morning. Before leaving for the day, the jury asked Judge James Lynn for a copy of a calendar that prosecutors displayed at trial that indicates relevant days, including the day of the attack and the day they say Smollett and the brothers conducted a dry run. In closing arguments earlier Wednesday, a prosecutor told jurors there is overwhelming evidence that Smollett staged the January 2019 attack, then lied to police about it for publicity. His defense attorney said prosecutors' case was based on lies. Two brothers testified last week that Smollett recruited them to fake the attack near his home in downtown Chicago in January 2019. They said Smollett, who is black and gay, orchestrated the hoax, telling them to put a noose around his neck, yell racist and homophobic slurs and rough him up in view of a surveillance camera, and that he said he wanted video of the hoax made public via social media. Smollett testified that he was the victim of a real hate crime, telling jurors there was no hoax. He called the brothers liars and said the $3,500 check he wrote them was for meal and workout plans. His attorneys argued that the brothers attacked the actor because they are homophobic and that they made up the story about the attack being staged, but said they wouldn't testify against Smollett if he paid them each $1 million. In his closing argument Wednesday, Special Prosecutor Dan Webb told the jury that what Smollett did caused Chicago police to spend enormous resources investigating an alleged crime that turned out to be fake. Smollett, who is black and gay, told police someone put a noose around his neck and yelled racist and homophobic slurs. Besides being against the law, it is just plain wrong to outright denigrate something as serious as a real hate crime and then make sure it involved words and symbols that have Sue. He also accused Smollett of lying to jurors, saying surveillance video from before the alleged attack and that night contradicts key moments of Smollett's testimony. At the end of the day, he lacks any credibility whatsoever, Webb said. Defense attorney Nenye Uche said in his closing argument that the entire prosecution's case, including the foundation of the case, is built like a house of cards, Uche said. Taking the witness stand this week, Smollett repeatedly denied the attack was a fake.